Right now it's Thursday and I'm planning to go to Yeouido. There's also a park here, Seoul, and it's a little bit below Yeouido. And then after that I will go to Yeouido River Park and I will end the day at Yanghwa River Park in Seonyudo Park. I'm here in Yeouido Park now, and this is the Island Cruise Terminal. You can get a cruise here, and it will take you all the way up Yanghwo Bridge. Don't know where this one came from, but I guess it goes all the way down there as well. And the ticket office should be in those tents over there. I might do the cruise later this week or maybe next week, who knows. Wow, that bike ride was fun. Where did I start? Oh yeah, Nodelson. And now I'm at this park over here, Seonyudo Park. And it's about golden hour, as you can see by the long shadows. So I'll be right on time. I was hoping that shooting away from the sun might improve the quality in haziness, but unfortunately it's still very hazy. Last time when I was in Namsan, I wanted to photograph Seoul Tower from there, along with Otto Tower. It was quite hazy as well, but I did manage to rescue the photographs. So it's a lot of technique going into that, but it is possible with lots of patience. So let's hope the haziness doesn't affect the photo this time. I don't have that much of post-processing to do. I'll make sure they have extra photographs, take a lot, so I can put it through a processor and process all of the images. The bike station was a bit far away from the park, but almost there. That's so hazy, but I think it's okay. Sun is almost down, just the last few moments of light. So let's quickly explore this park while it's still light. Take And to my understanding, this used to be a water treatment center, and now they turned it into a park. I guess they decommissioned it. This must be one of the holding tanks, used to be. I really have to be quick now because the sun has set and it will be dark soon. This cat was snoozing around. I think there will be a lot of mosquitoes in here. people, I'm going to end this video here. I'm still at Seonyudo Park. Today I biked a lot. I visited Modulson, I visited a shrine. I also visited Yeouido, and now I'm here at Seonyudo. I'm going to go to the hotel now. So if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.